Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are watching me for the first time, then I am Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how to create this huge wing graphic eyeliner with 3 products. So let's get started. It's so simple to create graphic eyeliner, you just need only 3 products. The first product is Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. Here I am using angled brush to make a sharper basic wing as like shown in this video. Be calm and patient while doing a wing and make your wing longer as it is possible. That gives a huge graphic look, that's why. Next, take some gel and place it in your middle of the crease line and drag outward as like wing and join both the upper and lower wing together. After that, give sharp and bold corner on that wing. Next, make your inner corner sharper with the same angled brush and gel eyeliner. And do it same in other eyes also. After this, take some dark color like browns, maroons like that. Here I am using burgundy and smudging on the corners and the crease line to give some softened look. And the final step is pick your favorite shimmery shade. Here I am using is red and apply nicely it on your lid. That's it, we were done, and give some final touches. It's over. Within 3 products we nicely create a huge graphic eyeliner. Hope you like it. I hope this will be very easy to create by yourself. And this is my Instagram handle, you can check it out from there also. So yeah, let's meet you on another easy tutorial. Bye bye, see you soon.